You can expect a lot from the 2020 GMC Acadia. Top features include front dual-zone air conditioning, a trip computer, turn signal indicator mirrors, remote keyless entry, rear wipers, and a split-folding rear seat. Third-row seats provide an even greater maximum passenger capacity. Audio features include an AM/FM radio, steering wheel-mounted audio controls, and 6 speakers enhancing the audio experience throughout the interior. Passenger security is always assured thanks to the various safety features such as head curtain airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, OnStar, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. With electronic stability control supplementing mechanical systems, you'll maintain precise command of the roadway. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.